Welcome to Collins Nissan. Today we're going to feature the beautiful 2018 Nissan Pathfinder SL. Beautiful new color they got coming out in 2018, scarlet. Pathfinder is a tremendous vehicle. Obviously it's a large 7-seat SUV. Incredible quality. Built on the same platform that it has been for a number of years now, since 2012. Same chassis, same 3.5 liter V6 VQ35 engine, workhorse engine for Nissan. This engine in the Pathfinder produces 284 horsepower, 259 pounds-feet of torque. A little update on the front lights for this year. LED DRLs. The SL features the around view monitor, noted by we've got a camera here underneath the mirror. In each mirror, camera out the front, and obviously the backup camera. Rear parking sensors in the SL, and the SL comes with factory installed hitch with your 7-pin connector. Pathfinder can tow 6,000 pounds towing capacity. Inside, you're in the lap of luxury in here. SL features a nice leather interior, zero gravity seats. These seats developed with data from NASA. Make your drive extra comfortable, reduce fatigue while you're driving. Multiple displays up here. Right in between the gauge cluster, we've got our advanced driver display, which gives you all kinds of pertinent information on your drive, including your tire pressures, your torque split, your audio information, fuel economy information, turn-by-turn direction, and more. And then the main head unit screen, SL features navigation, as well those 4 cameras that I mentioned. So when you're in park or you're in drive, you press the camera button, you've got the view out the front, as well you've got the view all the way around, featuring moving object detection as well, so it will alert you if anything is moving around you. Press camera a second time, you see on the right side of the screen, we've got just the passenger side view. Yellow line is 6 inches from the tire, give you an idea where to put the curb when you're parking so you don't scratch your wheels. A lot of great steering wheel controls here. SL also features intelligent cruise control. This button sets the distance to the car ahead of you. It'll maintain the speed of the car ahead. If the guy gets out of the way, it'll go back to your cruise speed. Traffic stops, Pathfinder will stop. Traffic gets moving again, Pathfinder gets moving. Nice main head unit controls, also with the nav, the maps. You've got some nice apps features here, including driving performance, which gives you like a G rating, tell you what you're doing, and then quick access buttons for your fuel economy and to connect your phone, make phone calls. Radio system. Climate control is tri-zone, so you've got one zone for the driver, one zone for the passenger, and another zone for your back passengers. There's that information, fuel flow information, fuel consumption, your G meter, your auto dimming home link mirror. Down below, both seats are heated in the front as well as in the second row. Both seats are heated. Your drive control on the fly there. Got your 2 USBs and a 12-volt power supply right up in front. In the center console you have both a tray, very convenient tray, and then a deeper bin with another 12-volt power supply, another couple USBs, and audio's in. Memory driver seat. We've got SL features blind spot warning, which is right here on the A-pillar. Forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, automatic headlights, heated steering wheel, power rear lift gate, and a mains plug in the second row here. Second row, which, as you can see, folds down, also can slide forward. As you see, that other seat right over there is slid forward. For your second row passengers, you got another 2 USBs back here. Mains port, if they're going to plug in some audio or entertainment system. The heated seats in the second row. Their climate control and their vents above your head. Front moonroof, as well as panoramic moonroof for the second and third row passengers. So you saw it fold down, which uses this simple flap to pull it forward to allow your third row. Just pull it forward on that. Nice easy access to the third row here. Third row seats can go up or down to help out for your cargo area. Also, you notice there are the vents for the third row passengers. And then moving into the back, SL features the power lift gate. Power lift gate opens to reveal your cargo area. Got a nice bin here. Features your rear subwoofer for the Bose speaker system. And when the back seats are down, great cargo area here in the rear. Got another 12-volt power supply right here. If you're gonna sit on the tailgate, listen to anything, or you need to use any power equipment out the back. Very, very strong competitor the Pathfinder is in this larger SUV market. Great towing capacity, great for families with the third row. Nice large third row access for those back passengers. Really updated with the nice new V-Motion grille, deep grille in the front end, and the headlights, fog lights as well. Pathfinder comes in 4 main trims. This is the SL. The SL is also available in the new Midnight Edition, which is another beautiful vehicle. Adds 20-inch blacked out wheels. Really good looking one. Come on down, check it out. 2018 Nissan Pathfinder down here at Collins Nissan, 155 Scott Street in St. Catharines. We're open 7 days a week, so you can come check it out at your convenience. You won't be disappointed.